Hi, my name is Fairmont Gonzalez, and I work for Fairmont Designs. We're a furniture manufacturer, and we operate this facility with about 100 employees. We have a variety of furniture, from sectional pieces to traditional, transitional, contemporary furniture. We currently run an average between 150 and 200 a day. We went with the automated machinery, which is Pathfinder. We picked up our production. It got speeded up our production about 30% better. The traditional way, we would use perforated patterns, and now that we went automated with the machine, now we have what is called a photo digitizer. It's really easy. It's nothing hard that can be done by anybody. Now we actually rely a lot on the machine now. In the beginning, everybody was kind of scared, but now we actually have more employees getting involved with the automated cutter. We are doing a lot less imports for cut and sew, and now we're pretty much doing it all here. You save a lot of time in cutting it, where the cutters will take about 45 minutes to an hour to get one cut. You could get it done in 10 minutes. It just saves a lot of time. It's great.